Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you easy steps how to erase emojis from photo in Android. So without any application, without third-party application, you can erase your own a photo that contains emoji. So let's tap on your photo that contain emoji here, and you want to erase this emoji. Easy, just tap edit button on your Android and try to search eraser. There's a two-way here. You can use eraser or you can use shape to cover. So let's try the first way is eraser. So all you have to do is just make a brush here, and as you can see, the emoji is gone by erasing this a picture. You have to be careful here, this one, and now the emoji is a gun, slowly gone. Sorry, careful, and done. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.